Hi there, how are you doing? My name is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can install Discord without any errors. If you are facing an installation failed error, so don't worry, we can easily set up this manually. Okay, let's see how we can install the Discord app on your Windows 10 device. First of all, we are going to download the Discord app. Go to the Google and find Discord download. So you'll find download page in the top. Open the website and download the website into your desktop. Yes, we have downloaded now. The next thing, you have to download another software called 7-Zip. I will tell you later why we need this. So make sure which software is work for you. For example, 64-bit or 32-bit. So you can find whether your system works with 64-bit or 32-bit. You can find it easily. In the search result, type this PC and open the app. In the empty space, right click and select properties. Now you can find here in the system properties, system type 64-bit operating system. So my system has working with 64-bit. So find whether your system working with 32-bit or 64-bit. So in my case, I have to install 64-bit, right? So I will download the 64-bit operating. Yes, once we have downloaded, close the browser and find the software which you have downloaded and drag into the desktop. Now first I will install 7-Zip. So double click on that and say yes and install. Yes, now we have installed the 7-Zip. Right click on the Discord setup and select 7-Zip and extract to Discord setup. Yes. Now again go to the Windows search bar and type this PC and select the app and open C drive and open program files folder. And if your system running with 32-bit, then you have to copy the file in program files x86. So in my case, my system has running with 64-bit, so I should copy the files into the program files. Now drag and drop the file here under program files folder. Here it is. Double click on the Discord setup file. You will find Discord, the version full.nupkg. So right click on the file, again select 7-Zip and extract to the same name. Yes, we have successfully extracted. Then double click on the Discord file which is extracted now and double click on the lib file and again open net45. Now you can find Discord application. Right click on the application, select send to and select desktop create shortcut and close the window now. Now you can able to use the Discord app. That's it friends, this is how we can install the Discord software on our Windows device manually. That's it friends. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and we will back with exciting video like this. Until then, bye bye.